Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this broadcast. The purpose of this broadcast is to help you to stay on your journey of wellness, and the context for the journey that I'm suggesting is a whole person approach, which is health of body, mind, and spirit. And this is a strategy that I recommend for myself and for my patients. I've been doing for a long time. And the purpose of approaching, or the reason that we're approaching our wellness in this way is because I think, is the best way to 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 control stress, to heal stress, and we call that stress management. So my question for you today is, how much walking do you have to do to have significant stress reduction and help decrease the effect of stress on your body and on your mind? And the reason I'm asking this question is that I had a patient recently that had been under a tremendous amount of stress, had some physical issues that were being caused by the stress and also by her inactivity. And I had encouraged her to start a 30-minute vigorous walking program. I'd done this a few times in the past. And like many patients, very busy schedule, doesn't seem like there's time to fit it all in. But unlike a lot of people, she did at least attempt to take some short walks. So she was managed to squeeze 3 or 4 5-minute walks into each day. And the surprising effect was that her level of stress perception diminished dramatically. And I was actually surprised at how much benefit she got from these relatively short 5-minute walks that she was able to squeeze into her day. And the point of all of this is that sometimes we get more stress reduction from some of the simple techniques than we would expect, even if we're not doing them to perfection. So it would be a lot better if we can spend 30-40 minutes nonstop doing something that really takes us away from the situation that is causing us to feel stressed out. And that's true for all of us, I think. But I also teach the concept of taking multiple 5-minute so-called mini vacations away from the stress each day. And when we do that, it has a remarkable and cumulative effect on decreasing the effect of stress. And that's what this woman basically experienced, was that she'd go out, just take a 5-minute walk, get away from whatever was causing her to feel all stressed out. She felt a lot better, and it translated into a lower blood pressure in just a short amount of time later, even though she hadn't lost any weight, because she really wasn't burning any extra calories, wasn't getting her metabolic rate that different, but it was a big break from the stress of the day. So I encourage you to find the small moments of the day to stay on track by just getting away from whatever it is that is your source of stress and putting your mind into a different space. And one way that you can do that is a short walk. Just a short 5-minute walk, especially if you can do that more than once a day, can get you into that different space where the stress isn't weighing you down. It unplugs the stress and the effect of the stress on you. So if you found this to be helpful, I encourage you to share it with friends and family, and stay tuned to this channel for other tips on how to stay on the journey of health of body, mind, and spirit. May you experience God's love today, and have a good day.